These are actually not too bad because they thicken up quite a bit. So it says that you should add 1 cup of water, but then it's really thick. So I actually like to add like 1.5 cups or maybe like this much, because I like to add a lot of ice to make it really cold and it's a little bit easier to drink. So yeah, like a normal shake, I guess. Then for lunch, I'm probably gonna have this double chocolate caramel bar, which seems kind of tiny, but the shake did fill me up quite a bit, and then I had some water a little bit after that. And plus, I've pretty much exhausted all of the bigger lunch meals except for those loaded potatoes, because those are the first things I went to. I was just afraid that I was going to feel hungry throughout the day. So besides the loaded potatoes, I just have these bars left for lunch. Alright, so it's the end of the night and I just kind of wanted to show you what the dinner looks like that I was going to eat. So the rotini and meatballs dinner, high in protein. Pasta meatballs and crushed tomatoes in tomato sauce. So it's supposed to have 220 calories, 6 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of protein. This is what that looks like. There's this. It's a decent portion. That added with any kinds of sides of vegetables isn't terrible. I actually just saved my snack so that I could have it as a dessert instead of a mid-morning snack. And then I made the kids mac and cheese so that they could have pasta too. And of course, Ben brought home all this temptation that I'm not going to eat, but I will glance at occasionally because I really want to eat it. I love shortbread cookies. Anyway, so I'm gonna taste a little bite and tell you guys how it is. It's actually not bad. It reminds me of ravioli. It actually tastes exactly like ravioli, so it's actually not too bad.